morning. So I am doing a full what I eat in a day today. Oh my god, there we go. Some lighting. I'm gonna be doing what I fully eat in a day for clear skin. Very first thing I do is I make sure I drink a bunch of water. I'm gonna go for a run right away. It is currently 8:50, so I'm gonna go for a quick run. Then I will let you know when I will be eating for breakfast. I did eat like quite a bit late last night. It's different every single day. Yeah, I will be showing you what I eat for breakfast. Get a nice workout in, a nice run, a nice sweat, and I'll be right back. Dude, I'm dying. Yeah, it's like almost 11. It's like 10 minutes to 11. So I've been running and kind of walking, running/walking for a while. And oh my god, this is so crazy because this is a thing I've never experienced before in my life. But look at this. I don't know if you can see that. It's like red here. I have chafing. Like my thighs like rub together when I walk, which like, you know, it always does that a bit. But like I ran and for the first time, my chafing actually like hurt. It's a problem now. Because again, like I mentioned in my last video, I'm trying to lose 10 pounds. Because before I left to Vancouver, I literally was like 130 and I'm like 144 or something. So I've been like stress eating and stuff. And like I haven't really been that active ever since I went to school, so now I'm just starting to get active again and I'm so sweaty. But I'm probably gonna do some weights, like ankle weights and stuff. But yeah, I'm dying. And like I can't run as far as I once used to because I was in like cross country, track and field, like hurdles, all that kind of stuff. So the fact that I can't even like run as long as I used to, I am so out of shape. So I'm gonna challenge myself to run like every single day. And again, I weighed 150 at the beginning of the year and I only lost like 5-6 pounds. So we gotta definitely step it up a bit. So yeah, I'm going to just do some stretches, exercising, drink more water, and then I will come to you with what, oh my god, with what I will be eating for my fuel. So yeah. So I just made my oatmeal, protein oatmeal. I already have like chocolate on my mouth. I'm using the Teami's wellness protein. This stuff tastes so good. This is like the first chocolate protein that actually tastes like a cookie, like a chocolate cookie or something, and not like artificial protein. So this is amazing, and I just topped it off with apples and then like pure maple syrup. I love this stuff so much. It is a 12:07, so yeah. I always start my day usually eating a bit later. It's all good. I'll keep you updated what else I eat, supplements, etc. Okay, I am so greasy. I gotta take a shower, but I'm just gonna quickly have this BioK. BioK is supposed to be, again, like super good for probiotics. Again, my naturopath said I was deficient in probiotics, so I pick these up every once in a while. This is mango flavored, it's super good. But yeah, I'm just going to drink one of these. Super good. And I will get back to you what I shall eat next. Also, I forgot to mention, I'm gonna have another apple just because it's super important to have prebiotics with your probiotics. And also at the beginning of my oatmeal, I took one of these, like at the first bite. It's complete digestion. I can link these down below. They're not the cheapest, but they definitely help digest your food way better because again, I'm focusing more on digestion, probiotics, and just again, for overall skin health and gut health. And then I'm taking just one. These are like heavy duty probiotics, but these are 10 strains of 100 billion probiotics units in one capsule. So this stuff is like heavy duty. They're not playing. So I'm going to also take one of these, but I started taking a bunch of probiotics a bunch of probiotics throughout the day. Speaking of probiotics, I literally just finished fermenting this, so I'm letting it cool down in the fridge for about an hour or two with my coconut water. There are kind of like bubbles at the top, so you know that it is good and fermented, and also the water's supposed to have that cloudy, murky kind of look to it. It's been fermenting for about almost 24 hours. So yeah, that'll be my probiotic drink of choice. So we're just smashing the probiotics again, like I said. But meanwhile, again, prebiotics are very important. I'm gonna shower now. basically for lunch I had spaghetti with cauliflower. I literally ate so lazy and so basic and simple today, so I feel like this day is just a very like, it's a not professional day, but also it's like very realistic too. Like I just eat whatever, like I'm so lazy. And then for supper, which I'm having right now, is a sweet potato with yellow potato, which is a lot of potatoes, and this is the whole wheat pasta I use. And then I'm going to be taking some phytoplankton. So I am starting to take phytoplankton every single day because it is a vegan version of AHA, DHA, and EPA. You need like all forms of the omegas, because I believe chia seeds and hemp seeds only have like AHA, but to get the DHA and the EPA is from here. This is actually where fish get their omega-3s from, so just take it straight from the source instead of having the middleman, which is the fish, to carry the omegas in. So I'm gonna be taking some right now. Also, I just took this, which is a half teaspoon of glutathione. Honestly, I find this is like way more, it just makes more sense to take. It just promotes overall skin health, and it's just like pure, the algae phytoplankton stuff. I believe it's like freeze dried, so it's like super fresh. I'll show you what it looks like in a bit, but I just put like half a scoop, sometimes full scoop, and I just take like a milk frother and then I just blend it up. This is what it looks like. Nice and green. Has a little seaweedy kind of taste, but it's fine. At the end of the day, if it's for health, it's good. Apparently this isn't just a good source of omega-3 though. It has like B12 naturally in here, and then literally like 75 other nutrients. So yeah, this is all around a really good beneficial supplement. I'll link them down below because I've been trying to search far and wide for a phytoplankton slash algae vegan omega-3 alternative for the longest time. So finally I found a company that actually provides that, which is amazing. So yeah, anyway, I want to do like what I eat in a day every week. So hopefully next time I could type everything on Chronometer and make sure that I have like all my nutrients that I need for the day. This was more so a lazy what I eat in a day, and just to kind of show you the supplements I take. And also again, I'm fermenting stuff in the fridge like I showed you. I took a glass of that. If you want to know how to ferment stuff, how to make a fermented drink, I'll link that down below. But yeah, pretty much the only supplements I took today were just the probiotic pills. I just took another one, the phytoplankton for the omega-3s, and then also has B12 in it as well. Glutathione. This isn't necessary. This is just kind of an additional thing my naturopath told me to take. And of course the digestive enzyme, because a big thing for clear skin is digestion. If your digestion is off, then your whole gut is off. Anyway, I don't really know why I just took one now. But anyway, it'll help digest the phytoplankton. I don't know. But anyway, that's just what I ate today. But I think more important things is, again, making sure you chew your food very thoroughly. Take a digestive support if you need to. Take a bunch of probiotics. Ideally, you want to also take probiotic supplements, but on top of that, probiotic fermented foods. And then again, for example, I'm making my coconut water kefir drink, which is loads with probiotics, packed with probiotics. And I just use the kefir starter kit. Like I can link a bunch of my kefir starter packs down below because that's what I use personally to ferment my stuff. Again, my skin is definitely getting better. Currently doing a month-long test actually on this phytoplankton, so stay tuned for that, because again, for the longest time, like I said, I haven't really been consuming, like my 4 years of being vegan, I haven't really been consuming the EPA and DHA omega-3s, only like ALA, which is from like chia seeds, hemp seeds, and like flax. But again, the EPA and DHA isn't really prominent in there like the phytoplankton is. So yeah, I feel like that would be improving my skin as well. I do take zinc, but also that's because I have a copper IUD and you don't want copper toxicity. And B vitamin. These are just kind of, again, additional things you don't have to take, but I think they help. I feel good when I take them, so that's what I do. And yeah, I'll make sure to link the protein powder down below because that's the good stuff. Hopefully I can document my weight loss journey as well, because again, ever since I moved here, I've been so stressed with school and with COVID. I feel like it hasn't been getting that much better. So honestly, we're gonna go on track now. If you're on this health and fitness journey, feel free to join, follow along, let me know your experience on you know, how COVID has been treating you and how your diet has been. But anyway, and yeah, with that being said, I hope you have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this. Please subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss a video I post. All my social media links will be linked down below, as well as the products in this video. And subscribe to my second YouTube channel for when I release music. It would mean the world to me. And lots of virtual kisses and hugs, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, peace.